Psychoanalytic theory is a theory by Sigmund Freud. He was the first to discuss the conscious, the preconscious, and also the unconscious mind and its role in human behavior. According to Freud, there are three levels of consciousness, which is the unconscious, the preconscious, and also the conscious level. The unconscious happen out of touch of reality. All drives, edges, instincts are outside one's awareness. It's hidden because it's scary, it's terrifying, threatening, shaming, etc. The preconscious is when all information is stored but it can be recalled, like last week's psychology lesson. The conscious is the person's current state of mind, the current state of awareness. According to Freud, there are three parts of personality, namely the id, the ego, and also the superego. The id is the first one to develop, is the personality of a newborn baby, is the biological component of personality, and includes life instinct and operate on the unconscious mind. Is needy and selfish and also operate on pleasure principle, which insinuate that all needs should be met immediately. It is based on natural impulses like hunger, going to the bathroom, and even sex. The id is the impulsive, unconscious part of personality which tends to directly respond to immediate urges, needs, and desires. It is not in touch with reality. Secondly is the ego. The ego is part of personality that is in touch with reality. It is based on reality principle. It is the second one to develop and is based on making decisions and facing the consequences. It is based on reality principle again. It acts as a mediator between the id and the superego. It balances the demands of the id and the morality of the superego. It is the decision-making part of personality. Thirdly, we have the superego. It is the last one to develop. It operates on three levels, which are the conscious, the preconscious, and also the unconscious level. It concerns with itself with the morals and what is accepted by the society, what the society finds acceptable. Superego developed during Felix stage of psychosexual development. Superego aims to control impulses of the id, especially those ones that are not societally acceptable. Superego consists of two systems, the conscience and the ideal self. The conscience aims to punish the ego through feeling guilt by giving in to the demand of the id. Ideal self has an imaginary picture of how one is supposed to feel and how people are supposed to behave according to the society.